This is how to install an extension for a student. The first thing we want to check is make sure that the student is logged into Google Chrome. That way the extension will follow them wherever they go. I can tell that this student is logged in because up here in the upper right corner, I see S/ and her first name. Okay. So now we're going to install the extension, and we're going to use the Snap and Read as an example. Now there are two ways to do that. When I opened Google for the student, the Chrome Web Store is right here. So one way I can do that is just click right here on the Chrome Web Store. I can just search for Snap Read extension. And there it is, Snap and Read Universal Extension, and I could click Add to Chrome. Okay. If the student doesn't have that, I can just open a new tab and do the same thing. And Google Snap Read extension, and sure enough, the first thing to pop up is the Snap and Read extension in the Chrome Web Store. If I click on that, it will pop up. I'll click Add to Chrome, we'll add extension. It takes a moment. It says right here it's checking. And then it says that Snap and Read has been added to Chrome. Okay, you can see right there I have the circle and the red dot, which means we need to log in. So if I just left click on the icon, I get my options. I'm going to pick Sign in with Google. Students already signed into Chrome, so they're already in their Google account. We're going to pick Student. And then we have to type in our password. Some students may, some students may not. And it tells me right here it has been added. And the student also got a message that says she needs to refresh. But look, there it is, turned on, blue, all beautiful. And when I want to turn it off, I can just click. It will go back to being black, and it's turned off. So there you go. That's how we install an extension for our students.